John Valve Quality Assurance System. And plant testing laboratory capability. 3D coordinate measuring machine. Air and hydrostatic testing machine. Large size up to 48 inches. Chemical analysis, PMI test. Tensile and Charpy impact test. Cryogenic test. Life cycle test. NDT dye penetration test. And X-ray testing. HVOF metal ball and seats lapping and testing. The roundness and smoothness testing machine. Quality control traceability. Work certificate, mill certificate is offered for all of our products. 100% pressure test quality control before shipment. 100% torque control for all our valves. Heat treatment process. All parts are marked with heat numbers for traceability and quality control. Technical support for our products. Fast replacement of worn parts. Long-term support. We offer up to 10 years of spare parts availability. The various international third-party certifications are quality assurance from John Valve. The best quality and service are John Valve's commitment to all our dear customers worldwide. With your support, John Valve will continue to guarantee excellence in the industry.